Hi guys!
Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna do mukbang
And eat everything!
and eat everything.
Let us start!
Let us start!
Okay, now cheers guys.
1,
Ready?
2, 3. Let's go!
Cheers! Cheers! Okay, now let's start eating guys. But do softly because it's the ASMR, right?
ASMR without the mic.
Yeah.
Liana, popcorn.
This is tomato sauce.
This is. You see how much time you finish your food?
How much time is finishing this?
Now little girl, please have to eat.
Hello.
Eat.
I need to eat like that. Oh my god, spicy.
This is my favorite.
Oh my god.
What happened?
Spicy.
Very spicy.
You like spicy now?
I can tell what's the best. You want burger or corn?
Mommy, come.
Mommy also come. We will take one. I put my lips. Ow. Is it blood?
Let's see.
Is it blood or is it okay?
It's lipstick.
This is the worst mukbang ever. Food is from KFC. We wanted Aura, but it was shut today. Take some ketchup. I think KFC burger is nice.
Blood. I never eat burger in my life. Yummy blood.
Not the most professional cameraman, but I'm trying.
Is everyone enjoying? Hello, is it
Looking
tasty?
nice, like
Yes.
this. Come on, you can finish it. You have to finish it.
Time to eat.
Come on, let's gobble.
Hurry, finish the food.
Don't
want
come
it,
back
Anna.
close to me.
Pass croissant here.
Come on, take.
I don't want the coke.
Okay,
Don't have Coke.
eat the chicken, the fries.
I'm not hungry anymore.
Hey, Rihanna's out. Who gives up? Come out.
Who was the last one? We'll get money, prize money.
Who wants money? Here's money for my money.
Don't pretend to eat. Mukbang.
Calm down.
Can I get some
This is the worst mukbang.
Jeremy is going strong.
Are you also? The burger is difficult to swallow. Yeah, good bit. It's a dry.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Thank you. Best chili there. Best chili there ever. Please give one.
You can do that. You can do it.
But
You can do it. You can do it.
Alia, you full? Okay.
1 second, I'm gonna bring paper powder.
okay, man. Okay.
The last then will win.
Yeah,
Who will get money?
Yeah, money.
A real money.
Yeah, real money.
Imagine if I get.
Yeah,
Let's make it imagine happen. Okay.
I'm done.
Alia, come on. Who's last will get money?
Lana. Oh my god, Lana.
Whoa. Careful, girl.
Careful. Tasty.
Not bad.
Is there any paper powder in your house?
Bring it.
And a lot of help from outside people. Yeah. But are we going to finish this burger? It's difficult. So, can you join us, the real mukbanger?
Yes. No. Didn't
Anyamo is the producer.
The producer, Lickers.
It's not wrong.
It's not.
Why no paper?
Is everyone enjoying?
Yes. Also me.
Woo! Are you guys full? No, okay. Burger? Anyone burger?
It's solid.
Don't waste, okay? You can finish. Don't just lick the chocolate.
Guys, just wait. I'm gonna take something from there.
Okay, my love. Okay, sure. Oh, chicken popcorn is here.
Who's getting?
But is there any paper?
Raju Bhai is getting.
From my house.
Yeah.
Hello guys. Hello guys,
Just
I'm eating
little.
chocolate.
I have more.
Heroine of the.
Who?
You're the lead actor.
Yeah.
So what is the best food item here?
Please tell loudly. Jeremy? The French fries.
Popcorn.
You different
Please
one.
let's share, no?
Yeah.
Who wants this chicken piece?
My stomach is full. I'm joking.
Oh, yeah, chicken.
He's like, imagine if I win.
If your stomach is hurting, you have to come out, okay? No forcing yourself to eat.
Why?
Everybody can be winner together.
So, if you guys win with the money, what will you all do with the money?
Yeah, what are you going to do with the money?
Give it for God and put the box in the God.
Free.
Aww.
How about you? So you? Okay.
And
How
God
about
will
you?
multiply and give you lots of blessings. It's the cutest thing ever.
Can we put an Ashes garden?
The money.
I'll also give to poor people money.
Don't.
Also me.
But that's not low.
She can get the money also.
If she eats her dinner well, she'll get.
Yeah. Yes.
This is not your dinner.
Liana, if you want to do mukbang, you sit there next to
Sit down.
and next to Azana now. You sit there, cause only your head is coming.
Hila, come here.
That means go there.
Oh, Nitu and Alia finished most of the food here.
Wow.
Congratulations. Yes, keep going strong.
Also me, I finished so fast.
Yeah.
Baby butter is here.
Whoa.
Family's favorite.
Peri peri and
Wow.
this rampam with rice.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Good night, Kobe.
Ice.
Liana, put on the camera, baby. You can't see Azana now. She's the main actress.
Bye. Good night.
Good night, Alushanua.
What's the time, yeah? We started. It's oh my god. We started at 6:53 and now it's 7:12.
20 minutes only.
Wow.
19 minutes.
So it should be at least half an hour.
Okay.
Last left.
I enjoy.
Alia, you full? Can you eat a little bit more? Okay, good
You
girl.
come to me, okay?
Okay.
And tell
Thank
me.
you.
And tell me, okay?
It's almost done. Almost
Almost
done.
done.
Yeah.
Woo!
Almost done. Almost done.
Mama, you know, when no, when it's finished, come to me and say I'm full.
Why? What are you going to do to us?
Oh man.
Okay, let's discuss that and
Let's
what's
go.
our favorite food in the world?
Chicken
Chicken nuggets?
And
What
you?
about you?
pepper.
Chicken popcorn, chicken nuggets, and yours?
All chickens here.
Ramen.
Fried chicken, fried chicken.
Also, mine is French fries.
Okay, come here now. Come
You
here.
have to go sit there.
Yeah, I'll go up there.
Mine was just chicken. I love hot wings. So we all love chicken there. Same.
I'll be the judge.
Okay, Judge. Judge, please stand here, Judge.
Guys, kuna electrician anyway. Kuna.
What is hiding?
Enjoy our life. Lolly.
Enjoy life.
Oh.
Enjoy your life, huh?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
What sauce is that? It's all sauce. I'm going to take Coke. Chris, I had to get my own.
Hi. 10 French fries left. Come on.
Guys, come on. Next question, Aniya.
Yo, man, who's gonna eat this?
You. What's your favorite movie, guys?
TV man.
TV Man.
And
And how about yours?
You?
Favorite movie?
Our favorite show, our favorite character.
my favorite.
Blackpink.
Nice.
What's your favorite song?
I'm a bear, come on, rice.
And yours?
Champion.
Your favorite song? Oh, wait, who? Justin Bieber. Ghost. Okay, and yours favorite song?
I have many favorite songs.
That one.
Let me think.
You're just standing.
I have so many songs. I like Your Way to
Beautiful girls. And I
friend, you were all not born.
2 French fries left.
Who is going to win the money?
Wow!
Eat.
Where's the money?
You want the money? You gotta earn it.
2 chickens. Who's gonna eat the last 2 chickens? Anna.
Who's gonna eat this?
So was it a fail?
No.
2 chickens will let you
Audience will
fail.
tell us if this was a fail or not.
I did.
Give your mommy, she wants to eat chicken.
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Ini,
Come.
come.
Show it back.
Mom! Come!
Come.
Come find this emergency!
Lifeline, call a friend.
Call a friend, lifeline! Mom! Call a friend!
No space, she has no space left. Come on, everyone take one bite.
I don't like that.
It's okay, no, but you're still winning the prize. You're still winning.
See. Why you?
Whoops.
Why you?
Last 3 French fries.
Wow, we did it!
We did it.
We did it! Yes, don't put more!
You did it.
Liana said we did it! We did it!
We did it. Hey, give me.
I'm out, guys.
Now the winner, who gets the money?
Yay!
If you finish dinner, you will also get money.
Mom, I got 500 money. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And subscribe. And ring the bell.
Bye! Bye!
Jesus loves you.